kids are cool. We vlog at the pool and we vlog after school. We vlog as a family. We vlog every day. And none of us are bored at night.
Hey, good morning. It's Tom Ryan. No, wait, I'm Wendy Ryan. I'm driving to work at 5:40 in the morning. I am so pretty with my curly or straight hair, depends on what day it is. I am driving up to the north part of Charlotte to go to work because I'm pretty. No, but yes, she is pretty. No, she normally drives up to work and this time of day, and normally I'm sitting home in bed sleeping, but we swapped roles today because it's Veterans Day. Wendy has the day off, the girls have the day off, and I want to get in early to work so I can leave early. So I figure I get in around 6 a.m. and leave around 5 p.m., 11-hour day. That's pretty good, you think? I do. Because I'm super busy, snowball derby, this stuff. Anyway, so when I came outside this morning, it was dark out, like it's dark out right now. And there was a light on in the van, right behind me. Anybody know who sits right behind me in the van? That's right, let's say it together. 3, 2, 1. Abigail. Abigail, you left a light on, you ding-a-ling. Good thing we got a strong battery because the thing stayed on all night long and the car still started. So, yeah, we just replaced the battery, I think it was beginning of last year in Florida. Anyway, heading to work, got a lot to do. Hopefully we'll get some check-ins from the family today, find out what they're doing on their Veterans Day off, and maybe I'll tell you what I'm doing. Hope everybody has a great Veterans Day, and let's see what happens today.
Hello. Even these
Lucky
things
me,
have a
I got some good news. I got some visitors.
You do? Mm-hmm. Where?
Oh, they just erased the whole board.
Did you need stuff on there?
No, I was gonna put stuff on there, but it'd be nice to have
Okay,
something.
so-
Girls, I want to leave. I want to go eat.
All of a sudden, like, Abigail was crazy. She was like, she was doing this. Like, over the belly. She was hitting herself.
Hey.
Oh, you were?
That was you.
Why are you hitting yourself?
She was going crazy.
That was wrong.
All right, let's go this way. Entrance. All right, we're going to lunch. We're going to PDQ.
Where we always go.
That's right. Chicken sandwiches.
There's like no room.
Your earring fell out?
For clip-ons.
You look really good in your earrings,
She
honey.
loves her clip-ons.
Maybe we should get your ears pierced.
Nope.
It'll be easier.
Happy with it.
All right, so we're going to lunch.
Oh.
And look at this. It's a public hand washing station.
It's like a big hit.
Yeah, it's around the middle of the restaurant. All right, you guys done yet?
Almost.
All right, come on, finish.
Okay, I'm done.
Nice.
So the girls and I have made it inside IKEA. And they're way ahead of me. They're going room to room. Lots of pillows. Way over there. Have a catch up. Bathroom. Hers.
Come on, we gotta go somewhere else now. Come on.
Abigail's having something to eat. And was doing dishes.
I always work up the appetite. Now I'm getting ready to cook. I wonder what this book
Nice
is
little
gonna be
kitchen.
on. Oh, here, look. Except it's in something like
Some windows. Pretty table set up. Oh, Abigail's doing a little reading.
Please get out of our house now.
Someone's lounging on the laptop. Here comes Abigail.
No, it's not.
Much.
I could throw it. I'm a baby.
Little baby high chair.
I need my food.
Abigail, it even says prop on the bottom.
Emily found the sewing machine and she's trying to figure out how to work it. Anybody have any ideas? I sure do.
Oh, look.
You got it?
It's not
It's
gonna
probably
work.
not really hooked up.
Yeah.
This comes to another room.
Oh, okay.
I need to
There's
do
our
my
director.
work.
Another desk. This bookshelf is cool. I think you can write with chalk. And the bookshelf is over this way.
That's.
Girls are digging this
Oh,
one.
that's great. Come on.
Loft bed. Computer
to go get ready.
Ouch.
Okay, let's see what to wear, Oh my gosh! What the heck?
What's the matter?
Emily, you see that it's so dark in here?
And then the light goes on?
The light goes on.
Wow. Abigail found the back porch. Nice furniture.
I like this couch.
Very cute. I like those lights on our porch, Tom. What did you say, Abigail?
I like this.
What did you say about it?
Exotic. It's
An exotic porch? It's pretty.
I didn't see that when I came in.
What?
Look, it's like a little lunch patty, except it doesn't
Well, it's
roll.
for gardening.
Yeah, so cute.
Some stonework. Very cute.
Daily gardening.
Abigail's in line in the kitchen.
Let me take the salad.
Got a bed. Little apartment here. Apartment living.
There we go.
Couch area. What are you doing, Abigail?
Oh, it's lovely. Now we
Put
get
that
put it in
down.
the glasses.
Abigail, put that down.
What?
Put that down.
I'm trying, but I need to fill the glasses with it. Keep the colors.
Okay, we made it to the children's
These things
IKEA.
are only $4 and she
Look at
won't
the
let me
kids,
get
they
it.
never got it.
Guys,
Here's our cart currently.
comment down below if I should get this. It's only
Abigail's going for
$4.
this storage unit here. I don't know what
Dude,
it's
it's
for.
open too.
What are you going to use that for?
What?
What are you going to use?
Oh, like for my craft stuff, like my pens, my markers, my scissors, my erasers, my
You know, that'd be good to organize like your bathroom.
Disco ball light.
Come on, Mom.
Emily's interested in this. Emily, can you open this up? She wants something like this in her closet.
Or in my room.
Storage, bins, hanging.
Not like this though.
Maybe not exactly like that. There's a black one over there too. There we go. So her beauty regimen over here.
Good job. Now we gotta go. And now we're done.
What are you doing, Abigail?
We're doing my, steps.
Alright, come on, Abigail, I wanna go.
No, it's not ready. That. Okay.
All set?
Yeah. I just gotta trim my hair a
Pretty
little.
flowers over here.
And more my gel, and now we're going.
All right, here come my worker bees. Pushing the carts. We're almost done here at IKEA. We gotta find everything close to. Woo! Stay here. Woo! Looking like a little race. Did we find bin 60?
Yep. Up there.
All right, let's see. Up there. How am I gonna get it?
It's right here.
Oh, the Billy bookshelf. All right, let's see if we find it.
Right here.
Okay, we are going the wrong way in IKEA. A big no-no. We're doing it. Crazy drivers there. See, wrong one. Here we go. Everything's getting wrong. Be careful.
Come on, Cam. We're finally going the right way. I'm on a little cart. Abigail. Mommy's up there.
Checking out at IKEA, not so much. Abigail's going in the kitty place at IKEA. Have fun. See you in a little bit.
They are Jennings and no jumping into the ball pit. It might cut until it might be that dark here soon. Just next week. Alright guys, let's go on out this way.
Bye.
Bye, Abby.
My son.
Do you wanna go get food?
All right, this ends our day shopping at IKEA. I think we've been here for 3 hours.
All right, I'm about to leave work. Look what my girls left me. What a beautiful design. I gotta get rid of it next week. But at least we'll be here forever, so that's cool. Heading home to see my girls.
It's the first time. Yes, and Daddy. Hey, on camera.
With the girls.
So we bought the shelf. The shelf is now being built. You hammering, Abigail? Is that your job?
Hammer, you guys.
I'm tools.
You're handing the tools?
And I'm doing nothing. They won't let me, so I quit. I don't want to have this in my room.
All right, so good news. I finally put the power strip in behind the night table like I did in Emily's room. Abigail's very happy about that. She can plug her iPad in there, all of her devices, and a lamp. And we got this done. This is done. It's all done. It needs to be tidied up a little bit, but... Oh. We got 3 shelves now. We got plenty of room for books. That one goes bye-bye tomorrow.
Well, they're going right to bed. They're not having anything.
Yeah. Girls are being difficult, aren't they?
Yes. Been a long day, but
Yeah, you've been a trooper. You with them all day.
they weren't bad, actually.
No?
We had fun.
I can't wait to see it and edit the vlog. So you guys be the best human beings you can be. And happy Veterans Day to any veterans out there.